So for this Kudzu Bot demo, we're going to do something a little bit different. So we're going to take an existing InfoPath form that's maybe not bad, but also not great, and use Kudzu Bot to make it better. So I'm going to go ahead back over here to Kudzu. I'll go ahead and read that InfoPath form in. If you've seen this before, it takes a few seconds. We'll let that process. Quick preview. You can see, looks pretty good. All fields, repeating sections, everything's there. But now I'm going to do something a little bit different with it. I'm going to reimagine it as something else. So I'm going to do this one for software engineering. So I'm going to create a view, an employment application just for software engineering. Position applied for, let's make this a choice field. Kudzu Bot's asking if I want it populated. There it is, populated. Got all the fields there. Now I can go down and, add some other stuff here, make some changes, maybe reason for leaving. We'll make that a drop down as well. And you can see it populated that as well. But now I'm going to add a whole new field. I'm going to add not a whole new field, a whole new sections. I'm going to add a skills section. And because this is software engineering, the context of this form, kind of where we're at, Kudzu Bot's going to ask me if I want help filling that section in, and it's going to use all the information that we have so far, the context that we've provided, and it's going to fill that in. It's coming back and saying it's returned, and some of the fields are choice lists. Do I want them populated? So I scroll down here, you can see all the drop downs, or not drop downs, and some multi-select lists that have all been populated. We've got an extra references field here. We can get rid of that. Certifications, let's make that a multi-choice. Let's make problem solving a multi-choice as well. So I can come over here, click yes on both of those. And for certifications, look what it did. MCSD, Oracle, AWS. So pretty good. We took just a very generic employment application, added some additional context, and pulled in a bunch of new fields, and very quickly be able to capture a bunch of new information, specific to this type of job post. But now I can take that, and we're going to focus on Nintex here. I'm going to write out that. We're going to do horizontal for the multi-choice list orientation, or you end up with this very long form. Go ahead and save that. New template. Come over here to my automation cloud instance. Import that file, and there you go. There's my InfoPath form that has been kind of reimagined. So we have this whole new skill set section here. And again, you could play with this some more inside the Reimaginer. Now it's inside of Nintex. You can, make it better here as well. So while we're on Nintex, let's go ahead and take this same form and write it out to K2. For bonus points, I'm going to make it WCAG compliant. And then I'm also going to use one of our style profiles to handle the contrast ratio when we start talking about WCAG 2.1 AA compliance. So it's going to go ahead and publish those K2 smart objects and smart forms and views out. Let's go ahead and here's my employment application folder. Let's go ahead and bring up that form in runtime. And you can see there's the form. There's my, kind of the top section here, the repeating sections for education, references, and employment. And here are all my multi-select list boxes. So, we took one InfoPath form, made it better, added some additional context, used Kudzu Bot to hit 15, 20 plus fields, populate those fields with meaningful choices, and publish that form to both Nintex's the Nintex automation cloud and K2.5 in under 5 minutes. Thank you.